The Upwork Rising Talent Badge can increase profile visibility before you even have a long job history, which makes it one of the fastest trust boosts for new freelancers. That matters because early trust gets you interviews faster. By the end of this, you'll know what the badge does, how Upwork decides who gets it, and what you can do to improve your chances. Here's the important part first. You cannot manually apply for Rising Talent. Upwork awards it. That means your job is to meet the signals they look for. The first signal is profile completeness. Your profile needs to look finished. That means a clear title, a strong overview, skills filled out, and portfolio samples. A half-built profile rarely gets attention. The second signal is activity. Upwork wants to see that you're active. That means sending proposals, replying to invites, and staying engaged. An inactive account has less data for Upwork to evaluate. The third signal is proposal quality. This matters more than people think. If clients keep opening your proposals or replying, that tells Upwork your profile matches jobs. That's a positive signal. Here's how to improve that. Apply only for jobs that fit your exact skill. If you're a video editor, don't apply for social media management. That lowers relevance. Write short custom proposals. Mention the client's problem. Show one direct solution. That improves response rates. Next is work quality. If you get hired, finish the work cleanly. Meet deadlines. Communicate clearly. Avoid refunds or disputes. That builds account health fast. A lot of freelancers miss this. Rising talent often comes before top-rated. But it's not just about time. It's about momentum. Good profile. Good proposals. Good delivery. That combination matters. And no, buying more connects doesn't help by itself. Connects get you into the room. Your profile and proposal decide what happens next. So how long does it take? There's no fixed timeline. Some freelancers get it after landing early jobs. Some get it before their first contract if their profile and activity are strong enough. It depends on account signals. Quick recap. Complete your profile. Stay active. Send targeted proposals. Deliver strong work. Your next step is simple. Audit your profile today and remove anything vague or unrelated to your niche. That gives you a better shot at rising talent faster. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more Upwork breakdowns.